Hello, and welcome to Dianna's Kitchen. I'm not Dianna, and this is not her kitchen. I'm a placeholder. We're building Dianna's web presence and her online store. She is absolutely passionate about food and products for healthy living. In her kitchen, you will learn how to mill flour from your own grain, how to bake bread, learn to cook organically, make your own over-the-top salsa using vegetables from your own garden, involve your children in preparing meals, and learn how to better organize your home and your life. Meanwhile, visit us at her website, www.healthyliving-123.com. See you there.